What is your name? My name is Anna. How old are you? I am 6. Where is your school? My school is here. Do you like school? Yes, I do. Who is your teacher? Miss Lily. Who is he? He is my dad. Who is she? She is my mom. Do you have a brother? Yes, I do. Do you have a sister? No, I don't. How many people are in your family? 4. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. What is your favorite food? Pizza. Do you drink milk? Yes, I do. Do you like vegetables? No, I don't. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Do you play football? Yes, I do. What is your favorite game? Hide and seek. Do you like toys? Yes, I do. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. Do you run fast? Yes, I do. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Are you sad? No, I'm not. Are you angry? No, I'm not. Are you scared? No, I'm not. How is the weather? It's sunny. Is it raining? Yes, it is. Is it snowing? No, it's not. Is it hot today? Yes, it is. Is it cold? No, it's not. How many hands do you have? 2. Can you clap? Yes, I can. Can you jump? Yes, I can. Can you stand up? Yes, I can. Can you sit down? Yes, I can. What color is the sun? Yellow. What color is the sky? Blue. What color is the grass? Green. Do you like red? Yes, I do. Do you like black? No, I don't. How many fingers? 10. How many apples? 2. Can you count? Yes, I can. How many books? 3. How many chairs? 4. Where is your room? Upstairs. Do you have a bed? Yes, I do. Do you have a toy box? Yes, I do. Do you have a pet? Yes, a cat. Do you have a big house? No, I don't. Do you take the bus? Yes, I do. Do you ride a bike? Yes, I do. Can you drive a car? No, I can't. Do you see the train? Yes, I do. Do you like planes? Yes, I do. Do you like dogs? Yes, I do. Do you like cats? Yes, I do. Do you have a fish? Yes, I do. Do you like birds? Yes, I do. Do you see a cow? Yes, I do. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. When do you wake up? At 6. When is lunch? At 12. When is bedtime? At 9. What day is today? Monday. Can you say please? Yes, please. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Can you say sorry? Sorry. Can you say hello? Hello. Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. Is it big? Yes, it is. Is it small? Yes, it is. Is it fast? Yes, it is. Is it slow? No, it's not. Is it good? Yes, it is. Are you having fun? Yes, I am. Do you like dancing? Yes, I do. Do you like drawing? Yes, I do. Do you like jumping? Yes, I do. What is this? A book. Who is this? My friend. Where is Dad? At home. When is dinner? At 7. Why are you happy? It's my birthday. Do you go to the park? Yes, I do. Do you go to school? Yes, I do. Do you go to the shop? Yes, I do. Do you go to the zoo? Yes, I do. Do you go to the beach? Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. Do you like candy? Yes, I do. Do you like soup? Yes, I do. Do you like fish? No, I don't. Do you read books? Yes, I do. Do you write? Yes, I do. Do you draw? Yes, I do. Do you listen? Yes, I do. Do you speak? Yes, I do.